Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring connectivity and power. This prevents interruptions. Open the Play Store app now, and if you're on a browser, go to Play. Google.com. Sign in with your Google email and password. If you use two-step verification, have your phone or backup code ready. Once signed in, make sure your profile picture and name reflect the account you want to use, because purchases and app sync will link to this profile. Next, you configure payments and personal details so downloads and purchases go smoothly. Tap your profile icon, choose Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods, and add a card, PayPal, or enable carrier billing. Follow the 3D Secure prompt if the bank requires verification. Make sure your recovery phone and backup email are current because they let you regain access if you're locked out. Once added, check settings for purchase authentication to avoid accidental charges. Finally, you install and manage apps. Search or browse, open the app page and tap Install or Buy, review requested permissions before accepting. To manage recurring charges, go to Payments right arrow Subscriptions to cancel or change billing. If something fails, try clearing the Play Store cache, force stop the app, then sync or remove and re-add your Google account. This resolves most sign-in or purchase issues. If problems persist, make sure your device date and time are correct. Incorrect clocks often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.